If you want to enhance your security on DoorDash by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your security settings effectively. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. Within the account settings, look for the Security or Privacy section. This is where you can manage your devices and security preferences. Step 4. Review connected devices. In the security settings, find the option that lists your connected devices. This may be labeled as Managed Devices or Authorized Devices. Review the list to identify any old or unused devices. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to delete it from your account. Confirm the action if prompted to ensure the device is successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage your devices and maintain your security on DoorDash. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.